Yesterday, right, a seagull crash landed into our garden. So now we got it in our house. I put one video on there already. This is part 2. This is the seagull. The seagull is in the bedroom next door to me. We're gonna go and check it out now. Come with me. There it is. As you can see, it's been shut in and that. It's got water, it's got food, it's got something to lay on. We're just waiting for someone to come and collect it. Look, there's other seagulls out there trying to get in. Have you been alright today, seagull? Have you been alright today? Can we have a look at you? I'm watching you watching me. It's supposed to be a greater blackback seagull. We looked in the book of birds. A greater blackback. He bit my dad's finger bad. Come on, you gonna move around or anything? Let's see you move. Whoa. Whoa. Don't wanna fuck with it. Let's go.